Hi, this is Jerome Joseph and welcome to my virtual world. Let's face it, the world is disrupting as we see it. The big trend is for training professionals and meeting planners to move into this virtual world of live programs for delegates. I have delivered workshops and keynotes in 34 countries over the past 23 years. I have been on big stages and in intimate face-to-face workshop settings. I deliver a range of programs across brand, culture, and sales and marketing that impact both the organization and the individual. I have been delivering virtual programs now over the past 5 years. I am ready to deliver my virtual programs effortlessly for you. My virtual programs are designed with the delegate in mind. They will be entertained. There will be lots of audience interaction and they will continue to learn through my high impact programs. This is my promise to you. I deliver my solutions across 3 key locations within my home and office. I use my studio with lights and cameras to interact, set the mood, and really engage with you. I use a keynote type setting with my TV screen behind me for full engagement, very similar to how you would see me being on stage. I use my workshop settings for longer programs, deep diving in conversations and techniques and strategies with my delegates. We need virtual programs more than ever before, and I am committed to giving this to you. I deliver both keynotes and workshops. Do check out the programs at the link below. I can't wait to work with you virtually. This is Jerome Joseph wishing you success in building your world-class brand.